Well, everybody, this is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience tonight. Tonight's video, I'm going to be talking about vacuum cleaners. And the vacuum cleaners I'm going to be looking for are really old vintage. And also, what I really found out was the vacuum cleaners I really grew up collecting are the older Hoovers and the Dirt Devils and that Bissell vacuum right here. And so did the Dirt Devil. I have 2 Dirt Devils in my collection. And I'm looking forward to buy more MVP series, or 90s models, and the older Eureka vacuums. I really need to get more of them. Because I mostly keep the vacuum cleaners in the carport shed in there. And I really mostly keep some of them in here. And I mostly keep a bunch of them in the carport shed on the right side. And I really found out was my 1996 Black Sharp Twin Energy is in the carport shed. And this vacuum right there, I'm still going to be using my Hoover Runabout. And the other vacuum is that red Dirt Devil over there I'm going to be using as well too. And for first of all, I really wanted to make more vacuum cleaner videos every day. Because I really found out was I will never give up in life. And I don't want to I do not want to give up on everything because I mostly take YouTube as a hobby and a job in both ways for me. Because I mostly do it as a job, not just only a hobby. I mostly do it for a job and a hobby because I really found out was I love to be more entertainment. I love to be as a YouTuber because YouTube is really hard work. And all the efforts I really love to do. Because it's not really easy to do this. I take it really, really stronger, hard way because I mostly make YouTube videos every day trying to get to 1 million subscribers and I really wanted to upload more videos every day. Upload every day, every day, every day, every day. And I will still continue doing that, and I will still upload every day. And I really found out was I just really knew. I'm looking forward to do something on July 19th on a Saturday. My dad's going to take me vacuum cleaner hunting, and I really mostly have, I only have 28 vacuum cleaners in my collection. I'm looking forward to buy some more vintage Eureka series and more vintage Hoover vacuums. I'm looking forward to get a Mrs. Doubtfire brand. The Red Hoover Elite 2 Total System. And I'm looking forward to find more vintage Bissell vacuums like the Red Bissell Power Partner 800, the one with the 8 amp motor, the one with the 9 amp motor version to it, and I really found out the vacuum cleaners were made in 1997 were the Blue Bissell Power Groom 300 was made in the year by 1997, and I'm looking for a black one as well too with the hard body box. I really found out was the Bissell Power Partner series I'm looking for is the Bissell Power Partner 1000 upright vacuum cleaner in a blue. There is a blue color to it. There is a green model to it, or they have a green color to that machine. And I remember I always wanted to get a vacuum cleaner is a darker royal blue model. There is a dark blue Bissell Power Partner 1000 upright vacuum cleaner I always wanted to keep in my collection, and I always wanted to have a green one. And also, I remembered my favorite childhood vacuum cleaners I always wanted to have is more sanitary vacuums, more Eureka Vintage ones, and more Kirby's in my collection. And do you know how many Kirby vacuums do I got? I have a Kirby was from 1979, and I have the one was made in 1987, and the other one was from